Now it should be right.
I don't see where he was off the track.
Richard Watkins is still a member. I got a text from him. He's just been very busy outside the club.
Saving them souls.
So, and maybe that's why I watch my language around him and Rudy. Rudy, though, I could be a little bit loose.
Is Rudy gonna be there next week, you think? Because I
Probably.
haven't ordered any shirts yet. I gotta order some shirts.
Okay, let's see if it
Yeah,
works
there you
now.
go. I think most of my locomotives would have a difficult time negotiating here. I got a bunch of big ones.
Yeah,
Mountains and northerns and
okay, so that's not
I have an SP GS6, which is a pretty good sized northern.
That's a 484?
Huh?
484?
It's 4.4. It's they only built a few of them because the GS4 was all the daylights,
Right.
but they did build a GS6. And I just kept I score one already painted and already got a GCC sound unit in it
Oh.
for practically nothing.
How do you get a DC sound unit for practically nothing?
Huh?
How do you get a DCC sound unit for practically nothing?
I got the whole train was in a box with a bunch of other trains that I bought. I got two GS4s, daylight painted GS4s,
Nice.
BLIs.
Nice.
Had a full train for like $360.
Wow.
That was MTH daylight. So I kind of like stole the whole mess. And it was just in there. And it's the west side. It's the only one that ever made them. Anyway.
So that's brass. Brass.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. You got a bargain, didn't you?
Yeah. Yes, I did. Of course, nowadays, what's interesting is that the BLIs with art brass cost more than the brasses.
Huh.
Just about, almost.
I know. You're right. The plastic ones have gotten more expensive.